we have checked out a couple Panasonic things in the past, and we are back again. This time we are checking out their HomeChef 7-in-1 compact oven. It is a big box. This bad boy can do so many things. It has an air fryer, a convection bake, steam convection. It can slow cook. It can do fermentation, and it can also sanitize things in your house. This is great for baby bottles, utensils, things that are really kind of annoying to kind of clean. Sanitizing is going to be a great way to do it. So let's open this up. Let's see what you get inside and talk a little bit more about what you can do with this thing. Whew, what a box. So it is a 0.7 cubic foot device. It can hold about 20 liters. It's pretty impressive, but this is like a countertop oven. The one thing I will say is that it's not specifically designed to be like a complete replacement for an air fryer. While it can air fry, it doesn't have like finite control. So if you need to do more, oh wow, this thing is really protected. You can just see how much they did to make sure this item arrives to your house safely. So before you try to chuck the box, it's really important you realize your water tray's in there. Besides that, I don't think there's anything else, so goodbye box. Perfect. So you have your cord on the back here, taped up real good, nothing to worry about there about it going anywhere. Pretty standard length power cord. Really just well protected. That is a heavy weighted door. Jammed in there very tightly so they're not going to rock back and forth or damage the glass. You can see it's got that really thick metal wall that feels like it'd be really easy to clean. And then you've got a rubber seal here on the unit specifically to, I guess, trap in the steam, which is good. And then your water tray is right here. You open up this stopper to fill that in, and then you just close that off and you can slide it right here on the bottom. And now it's going to feed out actually from this bottom spigot here. So you don't have to worry about it coming up. It's going to go right down that back. And they also have in here a indicator for how much water you're putting in, how much water is being used. This does come out so you can clean out there in case the water gets a little bit stale. That slides right in there. On the bottom goes right in place. And the trays they give us you got two pretty standard trays in there, and then you've got these wireframe trays. And you can use these in any combination if you want to put them inside to get some grilling kind of action on there. You can a lot you can do with these items. If you can see. You can take this item here, and that will just slide in place. You can see that. See how well that kind of closes off and seals. They also have a QR code on the top here, specifically for tips and recipes, which is really nice. Very helpful. And then, of course, they have the big honkin' manual. Apparently also has additional recipes you can scan there. And they give you a coupon here for $120 off of Blue Apron. That's pretty good. I have to look into that. Now, let's see. So they actually give a really amazing guide that's going to be very helpful for you, that's going to tell you what items to use in here and at what setting. For instance, the things that you would normally put in there possibly for sanitize mode, you wouldn't want to put in there during oven or bake mode or even ferment mode. And then they have things like, silica gel containers, wood bamboo, aluminum. They talk about all these things that you can or can't use in here, and it's very nice the way they basically set that up. Easy for you to kind of see pretty early on in the book. So what we're going to do is, there's one specific setting we want to showcase on this, and that's the steam. While the ability to sanitize is awesome, especially if you've got kids, and the convection oven is also a really cool feature, the feature we really want to talk about is steam, because of the fact that a lot of people in the US don't really understand steam. And when they think about cooking with steam, they think about wet. But you have many facets. You have like steam, dry, all these kind of things you can do with this to really give yourself a more juicier item that you're going to be cooking up. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this to actually cook something with steam, and we'll show you how it comes out. We'll be right back. Hopefully that was very helpful for you. Decide whether you want to pick up this item. Steam is a really awesome feature of cooking. One last thing I want to say before we go, fermentation. It does have fermentation settings, and you can do things like making yogurt at home from scratch, and that's pretty cool. So if you're interested in doing things like that, or kimchi, or anything you normally ferment, it's a really good option for in-home use to be able to add some more diversity to your recipes. Well, thank you guys so much. We'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to like and subscribe.